Well, it'll be as if I remember Diamond Trust is also near Din Kama say na ye twaso Mpensenpensemu Jumedi. So my main say hi Adom TV, the pledge, MRF, me or my hene kwabna sante fatwa so din we ya hafuni nkwa nti me educhumwa amosa Kenya say him papa bi, you know, and then I choose him papa bi no washebo se ne o me de ni monyam hye ene mpuntuo de mabu no mbenya kwanya ya adwuma ene new month bo mbeboae eno san hyehyɛ ni da no ebedi super pepe enye ntokwa enye didi atem enye bufu so we are the bigger picture is that you pledge to do what is expected of you as a citizen e Ghana, so help me God. Na the try to okwa na say ma obambo wa obambo ho asem ehia kase unu bibia na waka bibi enye bibi keke unu se nipa bi mana montu omo ne ye omo suni omo ban omo tirimopo ni oman ne hyehyeye ebo abra entempa no tu anamo na ya posifo asutire na afi onfa yi entu yi enti manage your personal security well, and if you see something, say something. Who bibia can be ebebo ewa kwenya saying na so. On this note, be a proud Ghanaian, be a proud Votarian, be a proud Mampusinian, be a proud Wasekroponian, be a proud Ahafonian, be a proud in totality Ghanaian. Odo Ghana, the way be an reflect is Odo Ghana. The core values or principle here, patriotism and love for your country. These two core values. What you say, oh, you be bibia about him, it will click. Understand what you meant to say. My main cow say, one of the MPs, the submissions, they say, oh, you're host of a show, oh, you're careful, yes, sir, why you're careful. Or no, you know, bet yes, it's a motor wins, you won't support us, crack or motor wins, not confa, and never be braba. Until Medana all the time, short notice, oba. Or you're a marine engineer. Na Odiaba Amanyo Semu, trained in the United States of America. Obey na Amanyo Semu, obey a mensing cratchy. No say Kuyeni, no say philanthropist, in same year. Onyamia Domno, a Manu bear and 9 in us with a mechlano. Your doctor, brofun uniform, your footballer and so another quad and Kokobo Bundesliga. And yes, how back walls on also. Wabiama or shit. Inti ene amenfi central for this year. Na no da no hwe ne maame. Ane maame e koda nyame ase over 100 years they ase that. Inti watena ase adope. O mamu akwaba. Yeah. O jinemu amenfi central this year on the ticket of the NDC inti share so but o jinemu ma NPP NDC or other parties in his constituency. Debi Adam kaisi ma mbebunu no akwanya momonya amanyosem bare nya obebunu bia na amada akwanya man kwaya amanyosem obebunu obetima demonstrate say ono so ehye kakra de be ma no wabo ho ban, you know how the buoni ani de be ma Ghana mra ne na de hye ene ne manfo. You cannot take it away from Honorable Collins Adoma Komensa adwuma na ese so ye ese so kan okamabunu kitwa bi ho a e wa manyo semaye wo man Ghana mu a omode pepper ye ne no kwedie ene de se fata ne ahokeka sonko eye Ghana adwuma no ansa na impo Adjei ne party ho waba constituency ansa na ba ye na mfo ne abusua so ti wo hwe ne ladder na is Ghana party and then ansa na aba family and friends ti Ghana here no so na the party na ba ansa na family and friends no aso ono so gina mu ma Adeshia wono ewo Efija Kwabre North, both sides, major political parties, NPP, NDC, and all other parties. Well, my message is confused because of my phone didn't have I was in Ashanti region. Friday, you may na. What they say between where the composer? We call me Amiensa. Baby, or how we down kasa. The ark, a wasukwa. Now we call golden tulip. Now we call golden beam. Yes, the L beam is a golden beam. Some Amiensa we know. A honor who say it do brave say ya. You will see a hinful. And you cocoa season. and you won't come be a dear a catch your party number concerning the interest or to come baby say it is from 8 p.m. Friday and you know ABC 2 a.m. I bet you remember 2 a.m. no now almost all the contestants no omo nine no much in the for no omo manipulative system no omo 80 makers of constituencies mako 47 no ya di we na to so ama constituency bia aside there so who say see na ko any time ni na nkasi mi nda no panetos brutal fight e go be chere bibia kama na na me expect your election the way they are skirmishes in kitu ebe ba be fa chiro akọ how you manage those skirmishes no especially the interest and the Ashanti regime no I think it's my idea apart from one or two things we are prepare more I don't know I take call me congratulate you na me say how did you do it apart from your essential from concern me ko we am ne ko achaka ka bi o ba lampo on concern ba ka che no e dey submission you ask when ti me can't see you omo de me sha say ye che bia omo so me ka de but my phone dey you free RCC
yes of course
a clear a lot of adwene we depend do na team say we dey ye boom yenu ye be see the question me obi and all those things and baby I must say choose your crown was serious open space obi anko any to adie
that's right oh mine watching any me penny honorable na honorable they say they were kind very diabolic very smooth talker oh and so not all point so we see anyone be finish anytime be am share the and prior to the election, there was a lot of tension, especially in Ashanti in the Eastern region. I said in Sonche for Motete the Ekosono. It was very, very tough. Benjamin Chadie, you talk about any I think so. Bia, TSS, the Urini, you know, a Sefata, say on your demand, delegate Nakasa. And first of all, I congratulate all the delegates from Ashanti region, especially Bia Mimi Freeban. I congratulate the chairman. Still chairman. Now, if we are not casting, we name it there. Would him say, oh, no, or call the third term. And he was say, on the first chairman, we're breaking 8. It's, you know, the success, no, and any victory, no, is just a rallying call to party meaning, I say. So, on way to me breaking 8.
The party will break 8.
Say the party, no, can also break the 8. Now, and no, so. Oh yeah, did some money immediately after the election, Saturday, no, Sunday, no. We saw the main contender, Diomi, Akoshia, the leader, parliamentary leader, which means it was starting the reconciliation process now. Because we are there, politics there. Once there's competition, they will be canceling me as a bit, and you were there. And you know, Madam, I said, so I started that kind of process. We are there, and the chita for there. Ba ku mienu be there
I want to what
ye be sere we ye be tizi we kakra but baby a ye drone said the ye real lunch man kai no in our party we believe in competition but after competition there's cooperation nti ye be say baby a ye drone there yato abana we the ye yi omo no ye go to ye constituency election na me advise me polling station for me say aba no ye the paper no ma wa nyanto bo ase no hwe ni because don't say so 4 years say yato awie see ye pro yempo chairman want to me is our chairman for the next 4 years. You know, I see any DNA boo and man. I congratulate all the others. Of course, me any partner more preference. Some of them really any many papa. But at this particular moment in the day, and yeah, a preference in here. It is how leaders ever bring you together going forward.
The crime in home says sentiment Mrashibe Jafono in terms to take a but because majority of members of parliament or more Ashanti region more prefer ordinary to me. In fact, I witnessed some of the utterances of Stadium on clearly. Some of the members of parliament, I don't fault them because it's their choice. How do we come back and say, well, I don't know, be our baby.
You know, so normally it's all competition now lose and then there's a competition many Mibra penny. Now a very, very heated. Well, we need and when so taking lead. To get the loser on board. Until they say, "Chema want to me here the Okoshia leader, Makoshia, the leader of our caucus, and then I could it tells you, say, we recognize, say, yes, some MPs felt to say, yes, son, but maybe I do this here, and yet the MPs pay any eka, and in totality, the majority of the people, the almost pen any of the neko. The quarter of years or so, me winning was very, very emphatic, and then a close contest, say, ABI winning with 3 votes and now 4 votes. It was well over 100. So it was clear, said the grassroots in India, they still preferred him. You know, it doesn't matter. So you're a member of parliament at this moment. Now, and away. No, you don't have an option. They say there, our chairman is chairman and Chibuesiakun, aka Wuntumi. Okay. But generally, no. Utie radio, so near the idea, very, very peaceful.
Very peaceful.
Of course, we have 1 or 2, but generally, in India, it was very, very peaceful. And I congratulate the party, NPP, the national leadership, or more, a committee will handle all the elections. No, my idea,
Where Western region?
Western region. Western region.
Western region.
Yeah, Western region.
So, you know, only the serious guy, pal.
Okay.
Huh?
Serious.
Chairman Obano.
Sir. Minimum.
Oh, Western. Francis. So, no, Ndede Sia. Very dangerous guy.
I'm at where we.
Well, we are winning. On the post. On the post.
Okay, all right. You. You ain't Shasiana. Which Shasiana. Mammy Cherry. Conscious for almost here to pay. Yawa and Rana a year homa. Mentimianco. Mimo Yako. You will organize a back on. Ne, a cune free material. And Mena Masinso, say, me mamma, Mofa Quanya, so a body devil, say a coye, my Omia by an queen. Say, oh dear, more my say me crum quiet, a your body to a secret. A chiapas about it, chiapas about I say, more cast of upper womb, but some of the fast. And Tibino and Jimmy, because of a quiet, Miss Stress, board the question to go.
Board the Sankregua.
A year,
not contractor also that.
Contractor, so they bomb every time maybe say questioning what parliament no. Minister say contractor that's so.
Are you sure?
Oh, me sure. Say one me work.
Who say parliament or say contractor?
Contractor also. A map percentage. Yeah, map percentage.
Contractor free baby no yeba.
Obusa minister ben yeah by minister and so
by minister and
no me say contractor no yeba and as
a because opia memo question time answer the percentage contractor
of that road construction.
Of that road construction written.
Are you really
opinion?
Who boss quality normal percentage?
My book quality percentage you
and a contractor no so age man.
Ebini so.
No, about percentage based on which contractor or yeah, Juma.
And as a contractor, normally you can't contractor or yeah, Juma. You can't contractor on sell site.
No, but I'm saying that or yeah, Juma or yeah, Juma there. No, maybe train. So or yeah, Juma. And the minister bit me just so I catch no percentage crack contractor kon why. But also contractor any quality. E did you know the original so can say why
say minister there, woman a question na okohuna yi directors no. And what talk catch say Mr. Minister. And so directors no Oma current or yes or no acquire research assignment. So these things do happen. Or no
one is road construction. It can happen like that. The minister goes ahead to give a percentage of the road that you construct.
Me the paper the na na say you need to
it wasn't in fact coin.
True, Asenkregua to board ye.
Asenkregua
to board ye.
Okay, to board ye.
Yes. And from Asenkregua.
No, you were specific on this one.
Yes.
That one.
So opening Nadia
and FB.
And Asenkregua to
Ashim.
Yes.
Okay.
Through agreement fee.
You contracted this.
Contracted this.
Okay,
you uncle. Inti no Emma more yeah, mon penny for ebino na so dey auto me nkra. Enti me da obi ase we bia penny for ba MPs ne former DC se ba na baby kakra so a wo kan ya me ndika nko o si pledge bi o se patriotism dey yi
o tu wache na o do man
o se ye nyina ye patriotic ni ade
o ye Ghana di di hye nko
ya ye patriotic
da se su ba di
ye na di oh munia jai aya mama nkeka kasa waka kire president so onye patriotic president na no di any fair gentleman number 1 na odi mani isu no e na odi o show kwan no na me kan kire me say onye patriotic that president no onye de ope dabi me aya jai sa campaign na oye no woni kan kasa kire no onye the ministers president fe de man atitia pansami na otumi de sika ko high plane ye kan wontie me nia eye ni bresam de man atitia pansa man for bre man for su ye niska aketua kra ye din president otumi ko high plane na otiyom isa say open pan adaso wo wiem ho opadware it doesn't make sense me nuanom patriotism ni wahi hwe sabe nipa wu en kana chi asem say John ade wayi en sa se ho wa William Ankrofo patriotism ni wahi mame ejaja mame kama se many abre
die mo listener na menko
bi dem say one odi
the men costed land acquisition
tie me nua mame kasa patriotism no
we ne wo list no
patriotism no en ye kan patriotism no en ye kan otu wa cha ma yes catch the same panimfo no omutuom ho enyina ho nche na ye mfolo na de mo ye krokro de John mo ye krokro de John ye tie na covid sika ayira so we dey kokko waves so what is the patriotism and penifo
no don't say that osi covid sika na yira oman ya tima ya covid boy ho bra no ye di sika bre se ye aso ase sika na yira
ye bisa parliament no president minister no otumi kire ba bi sika no wo how I spend this sika no up till now otumi yi question na no
assembly senior covid sika so mo fa hwe na covid won hye no I think about 300,000
on fa election on fa election
assembly senior sika
ade na obembu hu akonta so the assembly a ye say omra no mebu hu akonta de odi ye eno ya voice bia ba one MP or Salerigu or Kase or no, you man 50,000, you my party chairman 50,000, you my DC say, won't is Adian. And this is the patriotism as a more come on Cassanchra. Now, Obio demand any mono, on to who see her, or to who see her, and I answer the action. A man for so catch on say, I free for all. Free for all. Obia had your pet because Mampenny Nechita for Nano, almost and fat money in your and to know or that feminine. He that is done this fear no for. What would that feminine strike after say? And Tia no never can home and Cassanchro. Now, if I make one say, I can't watch now. Yes, Ubisa, home election no. Election no dear. Make a Quabras auntie. Well, you have fair or dear course ye near I branch elections on your second chat, your pie binum to me. I didn't move better. I can't. No. Branch election in local election no ye no. Well, troubles a buy. But yeah, Brahman for yeah, she a die ye trabinum team. Ye may ho a trabit team a sefio. Huh? A contombra a bit pie because of these local elections. Every place there was trouble. Every place. On party na jija. Oh baby bia na where they say public knowledge o election from branch oh you try biti very team pa na nya honko all over
come to a control force so be na fi police will invite you say boy with investigation it one if you
yeah boy obia ka say obia kumbi onu kra ya friend
unya problem with police invitation and I'm saying control no entimi message you try biti
and I'm saying me ya try the team ya pa team yes na menua ye frefra ade na obi aka se onim obi a okum bia ne enfre na me metie akoko ba metie me ne be frɛ me
we are member of parliament
na Kennedy Japan dia o no member of parliament onya member of parliament
say sanity a ulpiti obi fom so
ye be chia ye nche no first ya be chi me mbobro wa me
no what you asem na say enunti
exercise
see etwitwa ni party no ana what
ye twa team ankase ye twa team different from your job team Native troubles are election course here the whole country. Basabasaye into Kwakwo ye prepare man tibi. And we are going to Kumasi the Monday years so Wamaya maybe be ye. Now at any rate, don't call it take time po.
Kumasi no.
Well okay. Sika Pudi and Crofodi. Almost say Ghana politics.
What is saying?
NPP for yi o ma say Ghana politics me nia enya odia koyi that citizens o mo hwe go say if you collect money like this near the to abana yes say mine no wo be de no anya ni papa no abedi mine no so e say na say wo sika no ene ye to abana de amawo ye me sika no say woni be de man said monetization no aye too much. Where did they get the money? Yeah, manya, your mua, obi ko jina bontin, no yi be se bia 5,000 bank of. We don't ask, ye misan so nyes kan ohin. Ne be na mana yi. Wo me wa be me yiske boom 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 de ma na ya to abama wo. Wo me kasa nkire nuane mi na sa asuban na ekoso no. Enye ebedu ba bi na ye se obi a wo nimdie na e de oye ade papa wo mani mu. Na oni sika no. Otimi me diso. Etimi de ma ye no enye me fe emma I am hihye be to yen so say NDC. Yen so anhwa na ye delegation ade na wo mo enti sa no. No mo so abe wo hisa. Ahwa because too much. Ye nuan me de o mo dwunu ho say sika de bibia. Hwe general election am ko ye. Na no de amafo so kire onyansa. Sika covid sika ne ade om ko ye election ni nyina akire no. O man fact that she could for man can be on election ni ebiti on is a scan the general no anya dwon ho me ho de sewing machine na si abrane konso me nu em say onya bi de chichei sewing machine
that now me share the solution to some of these things. Now person who skew towards the NPP I don't know because I call back say one I know that modi am we the kaswe and them bebre me basa say now back to be amokoto ye worker so ho say yeah you to organize and never organize never want
na
let's find a solution kwacha
say who can
some of these things anyway before the no nam
go paso
but mumu sure the film so o gina to Boko Park no so dia and o dia ba o so o gina to Boko Park no so dia o dia ba
me nua say the topic of the you say NPP o mo yem koye no I don't want some American. Also, what can I say?
I'm saying that about Tobia or Bekobian, what I have witnessed, especially in Kumasi, I'm a call it. Me, I'm a cost that's from your man who
never be the
money be anywhere. A scheme in the water. About to know papa. About to
what do you
agree? Didn't we chill one some Ayakopa
level? Amudia could do no and yet level I could do no and yet. Yeah, I'm feeling I'm reversia. Oh, and I will be some say, how can we stop these?
Yeah, that's how we have to stop it.
Yes, and yet, you between as a delegate, so 1% money, yeah. Omunyaisa. Because if you collect this, oh, just say, okay, Nipan so balance a mining year. Oh, say, I dare swing ye, scan out the mano. And then get your equino. Yes, then you complain. And to me, I be a bit me a can of collector man for no. Because a maya address say at Pansam, as I say, ye seek a seminar say,
I a cassette, kind of workers or Maya Titia Pansama. I am not a honor a enyen. Baby, your mind, Conabia, and you when you saw, or my way the antitim Pansam you. A mind to donate, na emusuntia, or mine on Titim Pansam ye, or mine in Punto, and in Mabuno, I can count being your mind and be anyone you saw. But my way,
media say, who say, I credit you for in Amunia, I downgrade.
No crap,
yes.
But I'm saying that, and no dress at Titia Pansam. Ukas are dear Titia Pansam, dear. If we won't compare one more, a dash feminine. Debbie Ghana, the Shemai, Debbie Anna, and the cross to say that Yashiasa. You will how Mabru Yadumanya said what kind of man paying into Inshishan into Chibi and go ye. And they oko have found go home come crana and Unchimwa Basta and ye so. It is uncommon and say at Titia Pansam. Ebi the end of the Congo, Ghana, it does be a Ghana Ayeto.
When you had who save it thoughts through crowd. When you can say, John, I'm what can is of ya for black. But did you go over change? But did your mammy Casso? And to make catch delegates to say, I am almost a year. Quaya Twaba or Miami constituency, Sika. Yes, be a kind of boot. Now over 100 cities, 100 cities, 200 cities. Yeah, sure. Why is that Huawei? Now, Saudi, Yaman 200. Now, I mean, now, man for J or Jack or Twabano. that time you refi say board here to Asankregwa road no yenye on kan ho asem o misa say uba sa road no be ye ho de o misa ye kro manso manfi capital ukwa ye tutu kro no nyina se be ye kwan e se unama na wabofam
musuku dan ye sie wi
school dan no o ma ye nbi o ma dru ba bi
ko wakasa ho ache pa wo
na say mene na po mi kasa no so e yo tie o kasa che yes honestly o ma ye bi o ma ye nu the year na ye hwe debate it's okay ye tu ana mom yes enti onwa wo je sa ne ma nyina wi a afi ya tu abani wi a na afi wo focus on your road yesa ye me ko maame ayi ama 40k ma NPP be yo maame ayi wo kwan tum be ye kwan asphalt road NPP no me ko ayabrochi ko ji road me pa be ye kwan no ni wi fi sa ban na ye de oye no ye tu aba na oji se sika no nti ewie no the country is gone down the drain. Osa mama nka say na mom no ye sika sem no asai fe ba bia dollar ni cedi akoduru fe bia fuel akoduru eni me bia sai enti ano ka ho bi me stress ye beto aba na mo nhwe wo mo ye ka no kore ne ye to aba na ma wo ne ye nya sika because oji 200 cedis wa na amwa ebi na me nua no me ayi nti I'm begging the delegates eni electric say next time we nhwe ade ani pa na ba ye o me dwane no mu amema o sika no ato ama no o wi a na o ko high plane no nam o wi a yensa ase na o chafa e wi a che say fuel cost ra o say nyame o mom say fuel na cost ro yo you can na ko wi ase nyina why did you come why anya bu fuse je de enim yansa say dollar akwa yi a o so wi ase na wo obi ase yi that is not the way na abra na obi ho na wo kan de na the other factors na niema e constant na amra ma ha mo na ne ka dollar ye ka fuel ni ade no the purchase na there was no war in the world there was no crisis in the world ye de ba covid sika pudu ade ma ye e fe de covid bibia problem bia covid sika pudu ade ba e World Bank brain IMF brain and sana local sika ji
into file an urgent question
ya file o mu o ma we o fra mu
what did you kind file ya minor urgent question mo be with you
o man o ka patriotism one of the tenets of patriotism and they say be truthful very important patriotism no I say your mind so can minya penny or the patriotism nam say na do afu play there no one of the key things about patriotism is say we be truthful as a president truthful president can correct president kwasa for suru na hwefam aka wo de wi
no ba kra ma nyina so de kasa
okay aka wo de me say me kana so tutu wom kasa wo de
e no say yenye no before 2017 ni ayana
Debbie
okay it's enye say do mama ye e na Ampofo-Adjei ba obetutu
Debbie
it's ni enye do mama anye
Debbie
and out here and I file a question I'm one musa road mama road minister I'm one musa question
easy
oh I mean
Musa mama road minister
he's here complaining
oh bisa be question
mama 2 terms of year of routes enjo ho kwan so Musa sa
now mama time year of road ni
o man declare but they were doing routes
which roads
yeah takwa mikro mo no me takwa
David ho de nka of course it's this year so year roads
yeah dru baby
and you know I mean like me blame me what time why didn't you blame your minister what people say minister not I didn't know as a go akwa here but you are here comfortably saying that
to your boss
on to boss here
e be do so
and I'm road
yeah mo ban kasa wo ye wa bra wo ye
opinion what you say ye election ko ye ya ye kululu na eye de ne nye kra it was a party dem
or NDC
party ye timi print ballot paper obi o kwa stand for election ya print ballot paper ye ko ye and preacher ni din asasa who be complain say ye de ye kululu na mo kululu obi timu it was a ni ben de man
justice
Momo party election to be na ballot paper yet me say obi din
Justice Yeboah.
Justice Yeboah.
Justice Yeboah.
Yes, sir. Who to be? Or to be?
I said, over Catuso.
Oh, Jasa.
Oh, dear, make a Catuso.
Make us hear you drop for 40. We will Catuso. You go with you say. Papa, for 3 weeks.
Justice Yeboah, or to be. Who could you say Justice Yeboah? And you will be pitched at the ball. And the Blue Banners and Woody. Oh, my head. Or say, come, it's a candy. Oh, no, come. Yeah. But in the parliament, was he? Oh, my head. Call my jaw online. Oh, my head. 3rd March 2022. World Bank begins processing $60.6 million additional COVID-19 funding for Ghana. My head, Pachotti. The World Bank has begun processing $60.6 million additional COVID funding for Ghana. This follows a satisfactory audit.
That's the World Bank.
This is the World Bank. This follows a satisfactory audit conducted by the Bretton Woods institution over the $435.8 million injected into the economy.
But you cannot account to the Bretton Woods whilst your members of parliament
don't account.
Yes, Ghana. Oh, budget. He has the budget.
Only question. I dare now. You can't say
me say, budget statement. No, there was a section on health. Without any evidence.
Come and account.
Who should come and account? In the budget was explicit.
Urgent questions.
I want to file urgent question.
Oh,
urgent question. Urgent question.
My colleagues are filing urgent questions, sir.
Opinion. Me say,
question will COVID.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Almost all NDC MPs are banned.
There be one question.
This cannot.
But what do you mean, sir?
Oh, Mama, cannot say to me. Yano, and I just only.
No one can
Bretton Woods. No, no, the amount Yaka. You able to Yaka. It's be Yano my. Bretton Woods. No, yes, all your dear Sika. Okay. Or no, the amount.
That's what President what is the president so person guy with you? What is the president? I can't so person guy with you.
Manu ne koyi bukan.
What is the president
propaganda?
No, but now can the president and the president.
Sometimes the president cannot even refresh.
Refresh. Refresh. No. I want to be here. I saw person that.
Patriotism. But one of the key things about patriotism,
truthfulness. Okay,
is to be truthful.
I don't know what
Yes, it's to be truthful.
No matter president here truthful. I don't minister here truthful.
Okay, so what we do is say, Naminka road minister, Mr. Asankregwa to Bordie. Asankregwa to Adjei, correct? Mesro, deplorable. With the majami mahafu Abba Western. It is very deplorable. A kwano say the OTA member of parliament and your papa. Into Wadaroma. A honorable Wakwata. It's your responsibility.
No one can say, can I say?
We have any bad bros. Yeah, I can't seriously.
Okay, so we are back here. We have just about 17 or 12 minutes to wrap up. Mame and also new faces now still maintained for no. We have Chairman Bernard Enchibo Siako retained. We have Kwame Badwam retained. Bruno Region. We have Jeff Kunadu, newly elected Eastern Regional Chairman. Francis Ndede Sian, unopposed Western Region. And then we have Divine Otu Agohum, Greater Accra. And then other people. As Northern Region, be brief also as it comes up. No, I'll just draw your attention to that. So, Mameka will be able to say area calling Adom and say if you just Kwabre North, other Peter Kwacheka, so I'm Memphis Central, Lady or Minor won't come maybe I do quickly jot to know me down. Open so Casana for your next discussions. You wrap up.
Yeah, me jot to down. I near Mancoyino.
Or my name, no, my
Mancoyino. Selling Alpha, Sa patriotism, yes, and Koye. Dear Mrs. Subu, Indian Mamma say, mine. a minor say in I am more
I say break it down kakra
make it down say no yentimi to petrol no wo hwe emra na mo kasa ho na de ene akoduru na about 3 times enye hwe emra baumia na oka about dollar say the exchange rate will expose you no ene akoduru say ene dollar no I try 8 I break it 8 no esumi ni anime hwe mu man no de mo kan say ye be break 8 ye be break 8 be break 8 eso ay fuel na break 8 dollar break 8 eno na mo kan na ye ntia ase yi ana mo de mo hwe solve problem e break 8 mo de na e break na kire bia mo be wi aba no mo tise de mo ye no nya sa pa dia
o da so ka we bi
oh mi anu na da ba ne be jai
up to now
da ba ne be jai
kwa check o da so ka say
up to now ka say wi aba
e ba wa
ba ya tu aba de
etro ben
ya tu ni ade gina man for so
kwa check
ya di declare results atuo na sa afie wona de enso ya enso ya
aba we ye declare
na ni mo bia patuo ni ade me ye
ya ifo bi ku di tuo ku ju declare results
ayi baby ya so tutu yi sa ayi Techima South way. Ya microphone night you. What is a president a being and what? Mr. Question say. O ma hene. O si enye patriotic.
Me patriotic na say
nipa 9 ewu ye no.
What
is a president a gina baby? A being and no say microphone ewu ye yi. Wo mo awofo ni ade no ye mo yakọ. What is that? Hey, what is? Say president of the nation. Ah ya to abama nipa 9 ewu. Now they are winning elections no. What is your comment that? I'm asking you this question. What commented that? And so obi wu America na mtiba ba kwa wu America no comment. Na say obi bi wu baby or comment. What is any pe wu Ghana hama president can want them that? It doesn't happen.
It's the all Kenya will tell you all stop it. No.
Oh god,
I'm making points.
No, the point you're making.
Appeal to us or appeal to us say you're patriotic.
But you declare result not the question. When the electoral commission was declaring the result, no, what you're saying is not fair.
By electoral commission, I mean, Kaiser will be 2 years.
Can't do okay, grapple.
Vigilantes na mdia tuoko si na aya was West Wagon akaka motobi
West Wagon kaka motobi aba go to ye ene aya was West Wagon
aya so West Wagon ya to aba
condemned it
kaka motobi si
condemned it. Let's ensure say recommendations by the committee no ye di be ye adwuma but again na we no
na free wa ay main not nearby elections by ya wi ho ye be kun nipa 9 aya waso West Wagon
omahene
yakumon
omahene
hwe na say kaka ye dede
omahene
kaka no say obi bo ntuo ene yen ka say ayi na so wo ye protest no na sojafo akwa abotuo.
What has that got to do with election?
Ya make sure say patriotism no president in all this the president e bi na no aka say condolence.
What has that got to do with the election about
president
anaka de na ye to aba
a committee here na akosi say
na enye oni so the
committee na akosi say recommendation na president adopt
omahene
recommendation no
president they be person because mama o
but stop it no
stop it say
na dey who can na who say
stop it no me sorry ngoi stop now dey you because about dey na omahene o ka say kake wu ye no and you related to the election
also Kasafa patriotism
no he was talking about the election no related to kake wu no near to aba
me ma chronology of chronology
is that
but he wants us to demonstrate patriotism but onu so say nyoma we no
but you demonstrate patriotism by speaking the truth
in America say
no say you declare election not so the for jina ho
na do or your president
what is this
on speaking to the truth say
you go to about so interest you call court figure out
that court dey man ka court
you not even have the courage to even say about
court oh there we say be say the court now yakoya yi mentime anke court asem there you know court asem we know na court
what is it you know
court that's how court we know where the thing will go
but no kasasa on how about me yam shimi kura
me say patriotism no enye only the down people jema e koso nyina na say patriotism no me say president who na asem bisia come out and condemn you say president Odobia. Mama examples of people who have died in this country. Until now, president commented that and show patrona say ni papa catches a mini patriotic. No patriotic. He is the first gentleman of the land. Be a president or can mama example kaka or we one can want them and crofuna one can want them. I also was wagon one can want them. Accident crab bar nipa wuno president and can want them. Nti nyam wan say man for say you Ghana akoye juju a nti nipa be wu.
They don't follow that comment.
Na say
don't follow that comment.
That is what people would think. Say the accident bar president and can want them. Accident bar president should sometimes even go to the scene of the accident. Uncle nti my room mama for say ye the ritual. But your president say sia go there and sympathize with the people. Na bia say ye no twenwan so. Na what dey no ase a team. Na akoye owu America the police for kuni ya friends ya na ye Ghana ha ya friends say me dey me person who party black man who patronize so who can say what who say asema America na nyantro owu ye ya president of command George Floyd na say asema America no unim nyantro ningina strategy me ma conversation here just George Floyd here no president Sunday condolence me ye na ye wa ha I dey na kakawu wa ha president mi nka enwa
give me an opportunity because there be of said your work and what the conversation what man some work of it doesn't wouldn't say the pacho o say kakawu the president commenting why do you do this City FM online Nanado is deeply saddened by the death of Kaka 2 others in Nigeria. But you are here.
Saddened. What did you say?
Don't do this.
Press, I can say, you
were here saying the president Kaka who you want to
what did them?
Can you imagine?
Comment on Mickey. Let us know the comment on
TV is right. Also, president who
let us say saddened that.
President did not make any statement. And I'm saying that this is a statement from the president.
Who is satisfied with the statement?
What kind of a
president no saddened when they cry. President no you know a statement aba. Yeah, president BBC says here he comes on air to talk. What he be that? Because what he SMS you ha 9 no.
But
we no president
have to stop it because what is doing?
Stop me say.
That you can you are not truthful. You are not being truthful. Say president and making statement on the deaths. It's not fair. You know Sasema can just what I'm giving you evidence that the president made statement.
What statement is?
Oh, Alhaji Musa Kumasi.
Yes.
Also, support to Asima okay. The president should speak on some of these matters.
Exactly. Mommy, if you're America shooting here across. I said the president America is a very huge country.
The vice president.
Oh, me vice president. Vice president only say Kofini. Vice president. Oh, my God. Oh, dear Kofi. Ocha ntro.
Then what?
Me can say.
I can kasa di.
Ntimi me can say. On can no kre. On can no problem. No kre vice president kasa.
No. I respect it. No. I'm a very calm person, but I take very strong exception to what you are saying. It's absolutely out of place.
No, quickly, I have to.
No. You can't say that. You can't say that. When you do that, you go personal. But don't say that. You can never say that. Stop it. Don't insult the vice president and the president. Stop it. What is this? Who can say baby all the things you are saying are not truthful? Then you go ahead and say, I can't make such a statement. Please.
I say vice president onye Kofini Majiatu. Vice president onye Kofini. Wa me nya abotro de say wa. Vice president dey ono say obi anim no. Eni kwa say mekampo ono enim what it stands for.
If you go this way, the program will be disrupted. This is
we have some few minutes to
what is this?
What can some?
Say what he is.
But you're still saying it.
Everybody knows. Kofini. Then what he is, Ghanaians know.
Onipa oyeno.
So don't let me believe on this. Onipa ba umia yeno. Ghana ha obi anim. nyam kura na meka ni kwa se meka ese na your thoughts no cry echo menia mama nya kwa na so ka
no I don't have any comments. I mean clearly you know very well
obi se oni me ya
I mean clearly you can
dey can
so be so no ya me say asma who can as a president all the death on Kasam I'm giving you evidence so the president has been speaking on this death but still
kwasa on se me kra no dey dikai na me dim say man paying specific on this
he's been
kaka matter but clearly it's proven to us
what is there.
You're satisfied with that.
What Bill said, the president is saddened.
That is the statement.
We are not satisfied with that.
Who? I said no English no. President we are who SMS no. So is that enough?
Okay.
America president beyond this. Okay. America president and say shooting. See, America is a huge country. Ayakun nipa 20 no. He went there and sympathized with the people. Ono agina akasa. What is a president ayibida? Starting from a western region, girls are yakun wonwi. Ye kai as a president can be. Did he utter a word? Remember chronology of events. Ayi asin hodi nipa elections yakun won. Ayi abi kwa be kan say omo ya armed robbers.
Yeah, my colleagues wrap up my
armed robbers yakun won. Did you hear president uttering a word on this?
Oh, your position is the president should talk on
exactly. Who now the president of the country? Who now okase na ebeda. President kase entwauti ebetwauti. Because that power is vested in him.
Okay, so
now say me cause say na unkasa.
Oh, what call say
now because I'm patriotic.
See, you see me opinion no. Today he has demonstrated ebia e no akaka. Clearly someone he knows very well. How does the president communicate with the people?
The release is not.
So what else? So what else? In some Kenya, they are releasing to the effect. President directed the interior minister for this investigation to be done. Still, what's the president carrying? I mean, and the official statement to this effect. But you are here comfortably saying, you're patriotic. But you know what you're saying is a lie. Where is the patriotism? When you cannot demonstrate truthfulness, where is the patriotism that you're talking about? Who's here patriotic? But you know very well, look at the words you are using to your sitting vice president. Take away the fact or you are in a different political party.
What is a vice president? Now president, Mahama Biden, now we vice president. So
this is a program.
Vice president, so
you don't use what happens on social media here. As I sit here, there is no way, under no circumstance, can I insult Mr. John Mahama? Absolutely not. Give me that same respect. And yet, what friend? And yet, my friend, let me be behind the crowd. So I can disagree with him on the point of a policy, but to insult him and to call him names, no, I can't do that.
Okay.
But you cannot. But you are comfortable here to say all these things against a certain vice president. Okay. How do you expect me to react?
Mahama, about me, it is now incompetent.
Ibrahim Musa, good morning. Yes. In fact, the Honorable Aka is making sense this morning. So
thank you very much.
Thank you, also.
I see you, Mahama. I see you.
Thank you so much. So